Thank you so much, sir, first of all, and I really appreciate your effort for giving this wonderful knowledge of photography, Ocean. Uh, very well elaborated session, and yeah, you just not only shared your technical or professional experiences, but also a personal experience with us, which really helpful for the new emerging photographers like us. Uh, it was really a wonderful session, and I'm glad I was the part of that session. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your effort and best wishes from my side, sir. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dipanita. I have completed the basic course in CVA and continue in the advanced classes. Here we learn a lot of new things like astrophotography, product photography, time lapse, and more. When I got stuck, I just dropped a WhatsApp and every time I got extended support from sir. Thank you so much sir for your support. Always give your guidance like this. Thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. R. M. Mukhopadhyay speaking. Good morning, everyone. We have just completed the second session of CVA photography workshop conducted by our respected mentor, Sri Mukesh Srivastav sir. Lot many advanced aspect of photography was dealt with, like start tracking, levitation, stacking, and many more things. It was an amazing session and we have enjoyed the workshop. The best part, which I have particularly enjoyed, is the correction of white balance and exposure through gray cut. I am really thankful to our respected mentor, Sri Mukesh Srivastav sir, that he has taken a lot of pain and tried again and again to clear our conception, which is actually a very basic need for perfect photography. So I am really thankful to him, and I think all of us were benefited a lot by this workshop, and we're looking forward in future to attend more of this kind of workshop to improve our photography acumen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good day. I am Farooq bin Sadek from Chittagong, Bangladesh. I am also a student of Santara Visual Arts under the tutelage of Mr. Mukesh Srivastav sir. I just completed 1 month basic photography certificate course titled Shoot Like a Pro under my beloved teacher Sri Mukesh Srivastav sir. After that, I have been completed my advanced photography course in this month, July 2001, under Mr. Mukesh Srivastav sir. I think it will be enhance my photographic skill and creativity. It was a storytelling session for me. I learned from this course time-lapse video, astrophotography, stacking, levitation, product and catalog shoot, calibration, use of gray card, etc. Thank you so much, Mr. Mukesh Srivastav, for his guidance and valuable advice. I also thanks all of my course mates. Especially, I would like to thank Mr. Midul Raj for demonstrating his review assignment using Greycut. It was very helpful for me to understand my mentor, Mr. Mukesh Srivastav class. I wish Long live Mr. Mukesh Srivastava sir, and may he serve to photography for lifetime. Thank you so much, Mr. Mukesh Srivastava sir. I am very much grateful to you.
सीबीए द्वारा संचालित फोटोग्राफी की ऑनलाइन एडवांस क्लासेस में दिनांक 6 जून से 3 जुलाई तक कुल 8 सेशन हुए, जिनमें एडवांस कैमरा, फीचर, लाइट, शूटिंग टेक्निक, स्टैकिंग, लेविटेशन फोटोग्राफी के साथ साथ यूज ऑफ ग्रे कार्ड, एस्ट्रो फोटोग्राफी। फिर उसके बाद हर सेशन के बाद एक असाइनमेंट रिव्यू में मुकेश सर ने बहुत ही बेहतर ढंग से फोटोग्राफी सिखाई। तो इसके लिए मैं मुकेश सर का और सीबीए का आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Hi everyone, this is Mridul Raj. Today I am gonna share my experience about CVA Advanced Photography class, which was conducted in the month of June. It was started with salon photography, what are their different categories in salon, and what they accept and what their different criterias. Then we continued with cameras and shooting techniques that we have started during our CVA basic photography classes. We got to know about advanced genre like astrophotography, like Milky Way photography and star trials, the technical aspects, the technical parts of the astrophotography, camera settings for astro, then the image stacking, and the levitation. Levitation is very creative technique which is widely used in almost every genre in photography these days, and even in commercial shoots. Then we had product shoots, catalog shoots, and aesthetics of product shoots, placement of the model, then some introduction of lighting, and then the majorly how to plan the shoot. And then comes the editing part, where we are taught about the basics in Photoshop. Then very important, beautiful stuff in photography, that is gray card and white card and black card, which is used for exposure adjustments and to get accurate white balance in any condition, any scenario when we are shooting. So overall, it's a very good experience with our mentor Mukesh sir and all the participants. With my experience, I am telling you, I got to learn from many photographers during workshops, during webinars. Even in my college, there are many faculties, but actually what happened, you got very good photographers who are extremely well during the shooting, but they lag behind in theoretical parts, and sometimes vice versa. You got very good mentor, but they lag behind in the technical parts during shooting. So here at CVA, I got like a combo of experienced photographer and expressive mentor. So it's always a fun attending these classes, and of course the assignment part, that review by Mukesh sir. So it helps me a lot to improve my work. Meanwhile, he shows some of his works, we discuss, and yeah, I'm eagerly waiting for sir's next monthly course, that is on post processing, which will be start by next week. I think by 11th July, I guess. And once again, thank you so much, sir. I really feel lucky to be part of CVA classes. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं? उम्मीद है बढ़िया होंगे, मज़े में, और क्लिकिंग भी चल रही होगी। मुकेश सर के साथ हम लोगों ने सीज़न 2 पूरा किया है। सीज़न 1 में जहां हम लोगों ने देखा था कैसे कैमरे का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, छोटी छोटी बारीकियों को समझने का प्रयास किया था, वहीं सीज़न 2 में हम लोगों ने फ़ोटोशॉप सीखा, कैसे फ़ोटोशॉप से अपने फ़ोटोज़ को और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। इस बारे में कई जानकारी मिली, और सबसे मज़ेदार रहा लोगों को हवा में उड़ा देना। वाह, क्या बात है, दैट्स अमेजिंग। बहुत मज़ा आया और मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया, आप लोगों ने भी किया होगा, और ये ज़रूर और प्रैक्टिस करके बेहतर किया जा सकता है। मैंने कई स्पॉट्स सिलेक्ट किए हैं, जैसा मुकेश सर ने गाइड किया था कि वहाँ जा कर के कैसे लोगों को हवा में उड़ा देना है, लेविटेशन। बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों को सीखा, और बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ सीज़न 3 का। बिल्कुल जैसे IPL में हम लोगों ने शुरुआत किया, सीज़न 1, सीज़न 2, सीज़न 3, जैसे जैसे सीज़न बढ़ता गया वैसे वैसे हम लोगों का रोमांच भी IPL के प्रति बढ़ता गया। दिया। तो मुकेश सर का ये जो सेशन है वो हम सीज़न कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि आईपीएल से इसको कोरिलेटेड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और आप लोगों से भी मिलकर हमेशा कुछ नए नए लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, पुराने लोग भी आ रहे हैं। कुल मिलाकर बहुत अच्छा एक दूसरा सेशन जो मुकेश सर के साथ था, दूसरा सीज़न जो हम कह रहे हैं, वो पूरा हुआ। उम्मीद है तीसरा सीज़न और भी महत्वपूर्ण और भी बेहतर करेंगे। नमस्कार।
Respected sir and my dear friends, the session on Shoot Like a Professional Advance has just come to an end. In this session, salon photography, light, camera technique, shooting technique, and astrophotography, then was stacking, levitation, portrait and catalog shoot, calibration, use of gray card, and advanced editing were taught. The sessions were divided into 4 parts, and after each part, some assignment was given. The assignments were reviewed later on, and each and every photo was analyzed threadbare. What makes the classes so special is that Mukesh sir gives personal time, or you can say tutorial, to each and every participant to clear his doubt and complete the job. He has assured that even afterwards, if you need any help, he is always there available for all the participants. I, on behalf of all the participants, extend my heartfelt gratitude to sir for his efforts to teach us the nuances of photography. Thanks a lot, sir.
Hi, myself Sudeep Roy. By profession, I am a software engineer working in a MNC in Kolkata. I have completed advanced photography course under Mukesh Srivastava sir. He is a great mentor and a great teacher. I have learned a lot of photography technique during this session, and I have enriched my photography knowledge under Mr. Mukesh Srivastava. Mukesh sir is very friendly, and he teaches us a lot of photography techniques and editing. The course is very useful for me, and I suggest everyone to do a course like this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Dear senior photographers and friends, पिछले 1 महीनों से हम लोगों ने श्री मुकेश श्रीवास्तव सर से फोटोग्राफी का काफ़ी गुण सीखा है। इसमें एस्ट्रोफोटोग्राफी, लेविकेशन, स्टैकिंग मुख्य रूप से काफ़ी प्रशंसनीय अध्याय रहा। इसको मुकेश सर ने हम लोगों को काफ़ी सरल भंगिमा में, काफ़ी सरल पद्धति में हम लोगों को सिखाएं। हम लोगों को बहुत इसमें लाभ मिला। उसके बाद हम लोग एडिटिंग पार्ट भी सीखे, और एडिटिंग पार्ट में भी हम लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत जानकारी मिली। और मुकेश सर का सिखाने का जो आदब है, ये सचमुच प्रशंसनीय है। हम लोगों ने उनसे फोटोग्राफी का काफ़ी गुण सीखा है। इसके लिए सर को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद एवं प्रणाम।